What happens to all like the excess stuff? Does it go in that one?
Yeah.
Got
you
it.
mean the fruit poop?
Is that what you call it? I just call it the excess stuff. Fruit poop.
It's really the fiber.
Got it.
Yeah. It's juicer time.
Juicer time. Uh-oh.
Your new hero.
Yeah. I don't know what that is, but I think it's a good juicer.
It's a very good juicer.
Nice.
So it's a cold press juicer. And we're gonna make a juice today instead of a smoothie before our dinner process. So I have a very interesting juice that I have been prepping for all day.
Oh.
Not a lot of prep.
I saw that earlier. I was wondering what that was.
This is just goji berries that I've been soaking.
Okay.
And goji berries come dried. They're from the Himalayas and they're super nutritious. But most people don't juice them. I like to juice them just to get that.
I like this energy
edge
right now.
over other
Oh, the edge. We're looking for the edge.
So we're gonna do apples, goji berries, and strawberries, and it's super vitamin C, antioxidant, and then the apples will like carry it through and make it a juice.
I've got a confession. I've never juiced anything in my life. So I'm kind of excited to like smash this in there. What happens to all like the excess stuff? Does it go in that one?
Yeah.
Got
you mean
it.
the fruit poop?
Is that what you call it? I just call it the excess stuff. Fruit poop.
It's really the fiber.
Got it.
Yeah.
Got it. Okay.
Okay, so you're gonna cut the apples
Well, let's put this.
to a size that fits in here. So
Okay.
you could use this as like your marker if you want to do.
Okay.
But I figure I'll let you try and test it out so you get used to the size. And this is the size you'll have to cut everything to juice. These items are not quite as juicy as the apples. So
Yes.
if they get stuck in the juicer, we finish off with our apples to kind of push out every last remnant of the goji berries and strawberries. And these are also quite expensive, so we don't want to, and they're very
That's a pro tip right there.
Food, yeah.
It's a pro tip. I like that.
Uh-oh, what happened to the camera?
Oh, it had enough of me. All right, apples are done.
Okay.
So now we juice these first though.
Yep, I would start with goji berries.
Okay, so do you just lightly pour it in here?
Yep.
How does this, do I need to click an on button? Yep.
On button, and then you're gonna get them into the feed tube.
There's a few stragglers here.
I don't want to lose those. Came all the way from the Himalayas.
Exactly. Now the strawberries.
Yep.
Oh, I get to use my thing. I don't know if it's got enough pressure down there, but we'll see in a sec.
So this is a cold press juicer. It's a masticating juicer, which means that it's basically like chewing the food to get the juice out. Non-cold press juicers use centrifugal force, and they kind of heat up the juice. So this is supposedly like healthier.
Gotcha.
Cold press, so it doesn't heat it up at all. Doesn't kill any of the enzymes. And
Look at these little.
There's like hardly any fruit poop coming out.
Very interesting.
Yeah, this is an amazing juicer.
I'm pretty happy about it.
Good. I bet we could do something really amazing with this fruit poop as well.
Really? Like what?
We could turn it into like a energy bar.
Oh, here we go. Oh yeah, the apple's getting, oh wow, it's going nuts on the apple. Oh yeah. I'm actually really enjoying this.
It's therapeutic.
Exactly.
Meditation.
Is it gonna spill over the top?
Nope.
Be kind of funny if it did though.
It's so pretty. It looks like a beautiful sunset.
Smell this. It smells.
We should make like a body
Fruit poop.
lotion.
Fruit poop smells pretty nice, man. All right. Cheers.
Oh, I feel like this is gonna make me super high right now.
High?
Well,
Hyper high
a
or?
lot of energy and good feelings
Oh, it's fire.
and all these vitamins.
Dude, this shit's fire.
Yeah, it's really good.
With the Goji Berries, could this act as like an energy drink?
That's what I mean. I'm gonna be like bouncing off the walls here. Yeah, this is. Who needs drugs when you have Goji Berries?
Absolute heat.